Hello guys, Azim here and welcome to the unboxing of my new Bluetooth earphones. These are the Realme Wireless Buds which I bought 5 days back and it's my review of this Bluetooth earphone. So let's first start with the unboxing and see what Realme have for us. In my first impression, I just love the packaging of this bud. Realme really put some efforts to make this unboxing experience feel premium. Over the top, we have our Bluetooth earphone which is really nicely presented, and in this two-tone color combination really give this device a unique and premium look. Or at the bottom, we have a small hidden box. So what does it carry? It is our paperwork, the USB to micro USB cable with that same two-tone color finish. Lastly, we have some extra ear tips for different ear sizes. So overall, a really nice unbox experience from Realme to its customer. Now talking about the build quality, the earphone is made up of some really good quality materials. The overall feel and fit, it's just perfect. It's lightweight, feels premium and give a really tough to its competition. Now talking about the physical options, we have our volume rockers at the top and bottom of the right side, call or music control button in the middle, and a micro USB port for charging placed in the same housing of the right side. The overall length of the Bluetooth is standard with the drivers as in earring style, and that two-tone finish give this Bluetooth a really nice and amazing look. Now to connect the earphones, you just need to detach the magnet which turns on the Bluetooth, which is in my opinion is a cool feature in this price range. Then search this device in your smartphone. Once fine, just pair and you are good to go. Now the most important part, the sound quality. Here I must say this Bluetooth is fabulous. I mean there is no extra bass, no irritating treble, just pure flat music with its authentic audio quality. I must say Realme put some serious effort to make this earphone sound really good. The call reception on the other hand is also really good. While making this video, I made some calls and there were no issue with the quality of the call or the signal reception between the Bluetooth or the smartphone. Now the ease to use this earphone is really appreciating. If you want to pause the music or want to turn off the Bluetooth, you don't need to reach out any sort of button. You just need to attach the magnet and that turns off the earphone. But because of Bluetooth 5.0, the connection speed is so fast that it connects to your smartphone in no time. Also the button quality and feel is good and tactile in nature. So that was my review of this Realme wireless Bluetooth earphone. I must say it's one of the good quality, best sounding earphones in under 2000 price mark. If you want to buy one, link for that will be in the description below. Do use that for purchasing. For now, if you like this video, do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. And also comment if you have any query related to this earphone. It's Azim Sheikh. I'm signing out for now. See you until next one.